All right. Hey, you too. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time joining us, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer. And we set up this channel as a training channel so we can show people how to make money online. So we pick different products, we figure out how to make money with them, and then we make these training videos to show you exactly how you can get started doing the same. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We'd sure appreciate it. And if you like these videos, leave me a like on them. And we appreciate you being here. So today we're going to go back into this series. This is our Live Good series. So how to earn fast and easy money step by step. What we're doing is going through the very first day, set everything up. And we're going through every day what you should be doing to get ready to make money with this business. Now, this business is, I'm going to switch over there. This business is really cheap to get into. Probably one of the cheapest out there. As a matter of fact, I've made enough now that I've already got my money back. So now I'm just free and clear and just promoting this business. Didn't take long at all. So it's kind of nice. They also boast about you're able to make money without going out and recruiting people actively. Now that's going to take a little bit longer to do, but it is possible. So I suggest you get in this ASAP, go through the training, and start making money, because obviously we can't guarantee anything, but you're going to. It's still early enough. This company's only been on the market for like 12 weeks, and this is going to grow into millions. And right now we're, probably 100,000 or so, I would guess. Let me see if I can look in here just to see. So after I joined, there's been another 58,000 join. I'm really not sure what number I was. Let's see. So 281,000 it looks like. So still plenty of time to get in on this, because I have no doubt this is going to grow into the millions. It's been such a great experience. It's a good company. It's a great product. Products are cheap. The fee to get in is cheap. And just, I don't want anybody to miss out on this, because it really could be some easy money for you. All right, so what I want to do today is continue our series. Now, we've already went through this setup. We've already talked about setting up for organic marketing, so you should have done that. We've been talking about some paid traffic and how to go about that. We showed you how to get in and get that capture page made so that you can run some paid traffic and keep the traffic that's not so good out of the company. So we showed you an easy way to do that, and that's all pre-made, ready to go for you, and also walk through exactly how to set that up. Now today, I've been saying I wanted to do one more paid method before we jump into organic and making videos. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do one more paid method today. And it's a method that I use all the time. I've got traffic running right now from Traffic Authority. I always do, because it's good traffic. I've worked with these guys for quite a while now. I've spoken to the owner, so I know him. It's good traffic. He wants to make sure that you're getting good traffic through. So that is another suggestion. Now, you don't have to. You can go all organic, but it is going to take time. Either way, it's going to take time to build this business. So the sooner you get in, the sooner you can start building. And the sooner you get in, you're going to be higher in the matrix, if that makes sense, right? So that means your downline is going to grow if you're further up in the upline. All right, so anyway, what you're going to do is, once you get in here, there'll be a link below this for Traffic Authority, and I'll show you where that's going to be. But you're going to get in here, you're going to get signed up, and then you can do one of two things. Now, what I suggest would be this one right here, 12-month traffic. This traffic is set it and forget it. So you can come in here, pick a package, pay monthly, and they're going to send those clicks every single month to your link. You don't even have to worry about it. They're just going to send them. It's going to be automatic. So set it and forget it. You don't have to worry about this. We talked about MLGS last time for the paid traffic, and that one you are going to have to send out every day. So it'd be nice. So it's nice to have something set that you don't have to worry about. Now, they've got several different packages in here. Some of these look pretty high, but it's a ton of traffic. So what you do, you just come in, put your info in here, put your credit card info, sign it. You're going to come down here. You're going to put your link in here where you want this to go. Now, if you're using paid traffic, we want you to use a capture page like we shown previously, and we showed you how to build that. That's the link you would put in here because you want to use that capture page, all right, before it goes to your Live Good site. Always use that capture page. Now, they also have some packages in here that are just one-time buy packages. So you just buy the clicks, right? If you want to buy 170, 190, 220 bucks, and this is the delivery dates, the delivery time. It'll take this long to deliver it, right? Just depending on how many clicks you get there. And you can just go up, and it goes all the way up to Diamond, which is $8,000. People do buy this because this is a ton of traffic. I mean, 8,400 clicks, right? That's huge. Well, you can start here. You can go bronze, silver, gold, any of these. It doesn't matter. But if you need traffic, this is a good place to get it. Now, another good thing about coming through and working with TA. Let me show you. You can also make money with TA. So if you sign up as a reseller, you'll also make commissions on the packages. So I've been able to make $6,700 with TA. And that's just that's the side note because this is not my main offer. So I'm making money off this as well. I'm making money off of MLGS as well. So what we're trying to do here with these sites is we're trying to build you a full business where you have multiple streams of income built in. Once people go to your link, they can watch your training, they can see what else they need to do, and then they can decide whether they need those or not. Now, if they do, now you make commissions on those as well, right? Because everything we do also has a commission plan, okay? Because we want to get paid also. Now, if you come in here and you're looking at my videos, if you click on a video, all this info is going to be down here, and it's going to say show more. You just click right here on show more, and here's all your links. So this says right here, this is to get started with Live Good, Live Rich. That's where you're going to go. Just hit the link, and it'll take you right in. This is where you get started for the Home Business Academy for your capture page builder. You just click this link, take you right in. $25 funnel builder. And then these are our traffic sites down here. So paid traffic, this is join TA now. That's what we're just going through now, Traffic Authority. MLGS is right below it, right here. And then there's a link for get response for your autoresponder. And of course, if you like, you can join my Facebook group. It's right here. So we'd appreciate it. We welcome everybody. And if you have questions, that's an easy way to get them answered. But you can always text me. I've got my number up here on the screen. I do get a lot of messages, so be kind of patient if you would. I may not get to it right away, but I do promise I will get back to it, and I will make contact and get your questions answered. So that's about it for today. Just wanted to go in real quick. And next we should be ready to go over some organic traffic and start getting some of that going, start making some videos and things like that. And we hope you stick around. We hope you get joined in this. Like I said, we're already making money. It didn't take us long at all. All right, guys. So that'll wrap us up. See you on the next video. Later.